Hello, I'm Piper.
Hi, Piper.
Piper, Piper! We're driving in the storm. You're getting soaking wet. Okay, let's turn it on.
Addie, you gotta look out for parachute man.
All right.
Oh Lord.
Doesn't help when Aunt Michelle's already bracing for impact. Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
I can't tell which is straight in this wheel.
Well, it's kind of cockeyed. Just let it. Okay, let it. There you go. That's straight.
This is straight.
Yes.
I was getting confused. I'm like, which way is straight in this?
So, most cars, they already kind of have its own center. If
Yeah.
that makes sense. So you don't have to. It's kind of harder since we're on a gravel road. But for the most part, the car already does its own tracking. All you're doing is just making minor adjustments.
Like turning.
Like turning. That's a good example.
That's a major adjustment.
Oh, right.
If you think about it.
It is. All right, smarty pants.
Because if you didn't turn, that'd be a problem.
That's true. You're just being smart.
I would have ran into that hay bale.
Well,
Let's not do that.
let's don't do that.
Yeah.
So when you make this turn, make sure you
Slow down.
slow down because we've got people in the back.
Yes. The person in the back.
We don't want your aunt to be flying out
No. With her chips.
with her chips. Right, with her
Not the chips!
Not the chips!
My empty chip bag.
Why did it have to be the chips?
Not the Fritos, it's
Not the chips! No!
wild mustard.
Slow down, slow
Slow
down.
down, sister.
Right. I was. Kind of.
That was
not really.
That was a Caitlin turn right there.
Oh no, I lost my wild mustard.
I lost my chips in the wild mustard.
I lost the mustard and the chips. Oh, the horses! No!
Uh-oh. Well, we're wrapping up our 4th of July trip.
Last driving lesson.
Well, maybe we could probably squeeze in one more, you think?
Maybe.
So what's your favorite part so far? Or of this trip? What's your favorite part, Addie?
My favorite part was
All the wild mustard.
kissing all the wild mustard. Let me think. Let's think of what we did.
Wall?
Buffaloes at
I
Custom
don't
Park.
know. Yeah, Wall was fun.
Wall.
Buffaloes.
The buffaloes. We saw buffaloes up close.
I think going to Wall. I thought it was fun.
You like going to Wall?
Yeah. I'm just sad we didn't go to 1880 Town.
Oh,
It's
we
like
didn't
my
make.
favorite place ever.
Yeah, we didn't quite make it this year.
No.
Next year.
Oh, we can go next year.
Instead of wall, you can do 1880.
Well, but at least you get to drive golf.
Yeah.
You get to drive a golf
I
cart.
didn't get to do that last year.
Yeah, and you drove an actual car
Yes, an actual car. I like
For the first time ever.
for a first time ever.
Emma.
Ever.
Emma. Emma. Did you hear?
Maybe,
I heard something.
maybe you'll become my.
I heard it.
Maybe you can be my vlog co-host. You be my sidekick. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds
They don't
good.
pay much,
Yeah.
which is nothing. Really.
Yeah.
You get free chips.
You get free. You get free
I get
chips.
free chips.
You get free
That's your
chips.
compensation.
Although my cousin Kyle, he does this show called the Kyle Show of Awesomeness.
He has a YouTube.
No, he does that when he goes to like my grandpa and uncle's work. They have like this green screen and he always
Oh,
films
so he
just-
does something. Just do some
It's a
fun
live
stuff.
stream on Facebook, I think.
Oh, so he just does it once in a while. So that's.
Yeah, he does it once in a while, and it's interesting. I'll just give you
So it's
that.
called Kyle of Awesome. Awesome.
Kyle Show of Awesomeness.
Kyle Show of Awesomeness. Plug. Well, we didn't get to ride a horse this year either.
No, we didn't do it last year either though. So.
Well, last year we kind of came a little earlier than usual.
Yeah, we did.
They were busy with their stuff, and this year it was just very rainy, and we were just everywhere at this time. Seems like
it's rained every night.
Yeah,
It has.
seems like it.
I'm pretty sure it has. 'Cause every night I see lightning.
Little light show.
Light
Yeah,
show.
my light show. Like the fireworks.
Like the fireworks. Did you enjoy the fireworks last night?
I did.
Our little display.
Yes, the little.
Gotta find out a parachute.
Yeah, we gotta find it.
Gotta come out of there.
I'll go look for it in the field. Just jump out of the car first.
Yeah, if we had the side by side or the Ranger, we would have been better suited to go out in the field.
Yeah. You go and jump out of the car and look for it.
I think a dingo got it.
Look at the. What are we gonna do with the wild dingoes?
Thanks, Addie.
You're welcome. You're hired. Drive it to the gate. Drive it to the show.
All right, you can drive back for us, okay?
Huh?
On the way back
Oh yeah.
to Texas.
Heads up, I haven't driven on the main road, so if I crash your car, don't be worried.
Well, it's a rental.
Oh no, it's a wild mustard. I picture a mustard bottle with its like teeny little hands going. Teeny little feet. Yeah, just stick it out from the bottle.
3, 2, 1, go.